What's up, traders? It's Kaya Trades. Welcome back to my channel. Today I got great news for you guys. I have finally made the switch to stop trading on Topstep, and I started 5 new accounts on Apex today. So we're gonna hop on the charts. I'm gonna hop on my call in Discord. If you want to trade with me, go ahead and click that link in the description box. I do trade live Monday through Friday every day in the week. So don't want to miss that. And we'll see if the markets can bless today. New day, new opportunities. Let's hit the charts. Alrighty. As you guys can see, I am on TradingView. Okay, so last week I blew my accounts, and this week I started 5 new accounts with Apex. So we are trading via the platform TradingView. And as you guys can see, we are also on NASDAQ. So we're trading a little differently. I back tested and forward tested and, just perfected my strategy. Still same supply and demand, just wanted to make it a lot cleaner. Just because, I was going through a rough patch, but I still believe in myself, and I'm still going to show up today. So let's go ahead and check the news and let's get started. I have all my accounts right here. I grouped them right here, so hopefully that actually works and groups them. Let's see. Today we have no news for real, but we do have some news coming up this week. So just gonna be patient with price and seeing how it maneuvers today. But yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. Right now we're on the 5 minute. We're gonna go to the 4 hours, and we are at all-time highs right now. Okay, that didn't work. We are at all-time highs. Okay. This is the all-time high on NASDAQ. It's just been pushing. So we are fully overall bullish, but we could be in a pullback right now. So we'll just have to see if the market wants to give buys or sells. As far as our 1 hour goes, we are like sweeping liquidity, not necessarily breaking structure, but we also tapped into this 1 hour demand. Where's my...
You're not sharing your screen.
Oh my God. Y'all. That is so crazy.
It's okay.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm locking in.
Yes. I'm locking in. Yes.
Can y'all see it now? There we go.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Back to what I really just said was we're just very bullish, and this is all-time highs for NAS. That's all I pretty much was saying. And then we went to Forex Factory, and there was no news. Boom. But we got news coming up this week. That's pretty much it. And then we are here. So we have all-time highs. Price could be potentially in a pullback currently before continuing higher. So we are now on the 1 hour time frame, and we tapped into this 1 hour level. So we're going to write a box around it. Come on now. Alrighty, that's our 1 hour level. It's kind of rejecting it again. No candles have closed within it. We just barely swept liquidity right here as well. So it's like, it's giving possibly wanting to go back higher today, but we'll see. We'll just have to see. Okay, and as far as our trend is going, technically current trend is going down. Lower high, lower lows. See if I can get my little pathway on here. I mean, I haven't been on a trading view in a minute. So we got our highs, low, high, sweep low. I want to see if we can get a minor break of structure back to the upside. We'll just have to see what market wants to do. As of right now, we haven't really created another high, but we did sweep this liquidity. So I do like that. If market continues to make lower lows and we break structure to the downside, we could potentially aim for this low over here, this liquidity. And that would be following the trend to the downside. So we just got to wait and see. Just got to wait and see. Market opens up in about 7 minutes. So we're just going to hang around here for a little bit. Let me know how you guys are doing. Like, what's up? What's been popping? We doing NQ now? We are. We are. On the left here, on the right here, though, you can see it says MNQ. I'm not 100% sure if I want to take it here first or just regular NQ, simply because I've never done it in this way. I've never taken the position on Trade-A-Bait, and I don't know if it'll copy trade yet. So I might just take a few contracts on MNQ, but seeing it play out on NQ. What indicator is that to show the sessions? So I just simply looked up sessions. And if you scroll down, you can find the exact one. It says high low by Corey. Don't know who Corey is, but hey, it's all right. So we're going to go high low. And then it should have, look, this sessions high low, and it should have this Corey right here. That's just going to give me extra places to look for targets. It's harder trading on Topstep because you can't, it doesn't look like that. Like, it doesn't look like this. There's not enough data on the screen for you to zoom out and it look like something's going on. Like, we can see that this is trending upward. We can see that this is trending upward. We can see that we're now pulling back before then. So, alrighty, and now we just wait, guys. We're going to wait to see if price wants to break structure and close below this zone. And if it does, amazing. If it doesn't, then we'll just keep waiting. Let me know if you're able to get that. Oh, yep, perfect, perfect. Am I still breaking up? You was breaking up. Okay, hopefully I'm not breaking up anymore. So if we break this low, we're going to look for some sell opportunities. If we start breaking structure to the upside, we could potentially look for some buys, just because this is a very key support level. But the overall trend for today has been bearish. But we want to see if we can continue that bearish trend. Let's get it. We're just waiting. We're just waiting. Let me guys know how y'all are doing. Let me know how you guys are doing. That came out interestingly. But yeah, we're chilling right now. Waiting for market to open in about 2.5-ish minutes. Want to see if price can break to the downside. Continuing the trend. Man, and I got my tea today. One of my friends got me a really cute cup set of cups with Bible verses on it. So that's been like super, super cute. This one says, do everything in love, Corinthians 16 and 14. Corinthians is in the New Testament, guys. The back of the book. Shout out to my. It's a good cup of joe. Whew. Got about a minute 30 left. We got a minute left, guys. Minute left. Yesterday, I made a list of chores to do in the day, and y'all, I completed everything on my list. I washed clothes, I washed the bathroom, I washed my microwave, I went grocery shopping, I meal prepped, and I read. Beautiful Sunday. And I back tested about 30 minutes to an hour. Looking good for bearish pressure coming into the market. Let's see if it'll close below that line or not. If price decides to not close below this line, where's my mouse? Not close below this line and start breaking structure to the upside, we can start looking for buys to take it to the upside. But currently we are in a downtrend, if you guys can see that. And we have not just yet broke this low. So let's just be patient and see what market wants to do. And the market is open. Oh, wow. It's pushing, ain't it? Good. So we're starting to break structure. Want to see it close above, or it cannot. I need to make my favorites again. Long position, short position, price range, arrow, rectangle, circle, and a path. Trend line, horizontal, 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 text box. All right, I think we got everything. Oh, wow, we broke structure to the downside, guys. Let's go. All right, if it can close below that line, we'll look right here to take a position. Let's see if there's any other targets below. Maybe not. But right now it's giving some really good bearish pressure. That's not shabby. Simply put, it broke out of that bottom. Let's do another one down here at the lows. Okay, we're going to zoom in on this just a little here. We still want to see this candle close below that black line. Make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see it. Again, we are still in a bearish trend, looking for sells. Got 2 more minutes till this candle closes. Want to see how it reacts. It's looking really good so far, guys. Really aggressive push. Gonna create a supply zone. So all we want to see is price come back here if it closes between there. Once it does close, we're going to wait until we get to the one. We're going to switch on down to the 1 minute time frame to see if we can get, what's up, Isaac? See if we can get a tap and a break of candle there. So for a little bit of a safer stop. This again is about 30-ish ticks. That would be risking on NASDAQ about 375 bucks. It's not too shabby, to be honest. And currently I'm going for at least 1-to-1s, moving my stop loss to break even. Same thing as we've been doing. I can't take off any contracts just yet. But if I do the micros, then I might. So we're just going to see. Price is really moving down. I like it. All right, so we got a candle to close below that low. So we're going to drop down to the 1 minute. And we're going to see it close. We're going to see it tap here and get a break of candle here as well. Oh, wow, this one.
You sound like a robot.
I still sound like a robot? How about now?
Nah, it's terrible. Aya?
Hold on.
Aya? Now I'm trying to tell her right now, your mic is terrible, bro. All right, let me call her.
I can hear you. Is that better? Is that better? Is that better? Is that better? Is that better?
Oh, it is better. Sorry.
Baby. I appreciate you so much.
Gotcha.
Bye. Yeah, guys, so sorry. When it connects to my my mic.
Nope, it's back. It's back.
How about now? Is it working now? Is it still breaking up, guys?
It's like a super latency in your voice. Maybe just close it down and start back up.
Anybody got time to do that? Market finna do what we needed to do. Oh my gosh. We're about to get a tap, guys.
Say Lexi.
Okay, if we get a break of this candle, we'll take the sell. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Is better?
Yeah, it's better. It's better.
All right, we get a break of that candle. We're gonna get in for a sell.
Super latent though. I don't know if you know what latency means. It's like a delay in the internet.
I don't know what
And
latency.
yeah, I know. I just explained it, baby. Delay in the internet. Yeah, but you're frozen right now via camera.
I took my camera off
I
so
know.
you can hear me better.
Oh, okay, for sure. That's what's up. That's what's up. I'm just trying to help out.
We get the breakup candle, we'll drop for a sell. All right, I don't know what happened.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. Now I'm gonna drag my stop loss. Okay, I don't see the stop loss thing. I stop one. I stop one.
Were you trading NQ, girl?
We are. It's not going to all 5 accounts, so I don't know what to do from there. So we'll have to figure out how to get that to work. Here, our 1-to-1 is right there. That's where we're going to move our stop loss to break even. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out how to do all this, guys, because it's like acting so weird.
Are you going for a 3-to-1?
No,
You have to take the trade on trade of 8 for it to copy it over.
I did that.
BTW.
I know, but I pressed it and it didn't
Oh.
go. It didn't go through.
Oh. Um. We'll discuss it.
But you guys can see my screen though.
Yeah, I can see the screen. Yep, yep.
And now we just wait. Lord have mercy. That's a little frustrating because I really wanted it to be all the accounts, but it's okay. We're learning. So we might get a top of 1-to-1 here in just a moment. Let's be patient and see. Okay, 1-to-1 hit. We're gonna move our stop loss to break even. Risk-free trade. Let's see a smash our 1 to 2. Bet chaos. Appreciate that. Let's see if we can smash 1 to 2. And then we'll have to figure out the rest of the day with the copy trader thingy. Don't stop us out. No. We may get stopped out here in a second.
Stop filled.
So we got stopped out. That's okay. We know that 1 to 1 hit, so we may just start taking the 1 to 1s and just leaving. Honestly. Not even capping to you. Alright. We're going to start from the jump. Start from the jump. And I'll actually type it out so you guys can see. First thing that we did was we found the trend. First off, we found a bearish. We saw that we were in a bearish trend. Okay, the price is making lower lows and lower highs today. Lower lows, lower highs. We're waiting for either this breakout of this zone, or we were waiting for price to do exactly what it did today, which is break lower, retest, and then push out. Okay, so once we determined the trend, we were ready to take either sides in the market. Okay, then we waited for, let's see if I get this over here. Then we waited for the break of structure. On the 5-minute time frame, we had a break of structure. Let's go to the 5 minutes. Boom. I'm going to clear this off so we can see it. On the 5-minute, we broke this low right here. Can you see that low right there? That jump is still dropping. I love it. I love it. We were spot on today. Okay, so we have the break of candle right here for the 5-minute demand zone to be 5-minute supply zone to be created right here. Boom. So now we're gonna, once we've already got our break of structure, boom, on the 5-minute, we're gonna drop down to the 1-minute. Wow, look at this trade playing out. Oh. So now after we got the break of structure, we're gonna drop down to the 1-minute. Okay, now that we're on the 1-minute time frame, we're gonna wait for price to come back to our zone and give us a tap, which it did. That stuff's still dropping. I love it. Look at all the, it might go wait under this little while. Anyways, once we got the tap of zone on the 1-minute time frame, boom, this is where we got that tap. Change this color. I like this turquoise kind of color. Once we get this tap of the zone, now we're gonna wait for the break of candle entry. It was kind of wonky on here, but as soon as price came down and broke that candle's high, I put my stop loss at the top and shot for the 1 to 2. Where I didn't shoot for the 1 to 2, but the 1 to 2 played out beautifully. Okay. And with that being said, we are on Nasdaq, so we can't be having our stop loss 47 ticks. 47 ticks is roughly between $600 and $500, which is crazy. I think that's wrong. I think that's wrong. That might be right. That might be right. Somewhere around there. So I don't want my stop loss 47 points, right? I want my stop loss 25 points because there's 4 ticks in each point, and each contract is worth I think like $12. So it's like you're breaking up so I can't hear. Okay. And price is just dropping. So that's beautiful. Could have had a really good 50-point move day, but that's all right. I'm gonna get out of here, guys. See you guys tomorrow.